Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your JBL Everest available on iOS devices? So, I already installed the application what JBL offer for the headphones. And if we open it and try to edit, we can see right here supported devices. So we need to scroll down to find Everest series. And right here we have it. And we have Everest Elite. So our model is V310BT. And if we scroll right here, we can see that we haven't our model here. Also, we can try to find only Everest series, not Everest Elite. And we haven't it here. So my short answer is no, it's not available on iOS devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!